50 cubic centimeter four-stroke motor, enclosed drive chain, cam-type brakes, 3-speed transmission, automatic clutch, and topped with the name Honda. What? 내가 제일 잘 나가.
そして様々な進化を重ねたスーパーカブは2017年ついに世界生産累計1億台を突破した。
With 3-speed transmission, automatic clutch, and dual cam-type brakes. And the Honda gets up to 225 miles to a gallon of gas.
Here we go!
Yield all the power you need. At 45 miles per hour, it's like riding on silk. Up to 225 miles to a gallon of gas.
Hondas. You don't even know what it is. When it goes by, it'll surprise you. Ooh.